Mum, did you video that?
No, I couldn't do it. I'm not very good at it.
You are videoing it. Good.
But I'm not good at
Yeah,
it.
so you agreed Dan owes me 20 quid tomorrow. You agreed Dan owes me 20 quid, didn't you?
Do I?
Yeah, for tomorrow, for this.
What?
You do, don't you?
Oh my god, Dad, are you alright?
Good.
Shit.
Tomorrow.
Right. I think you need to go, babe.